Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI Nova Y70 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner test on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint here to the scanner and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how far this feature is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as you can see, the fingerprint scanner works here so fast. I just simply touch the power key button. So this is the really good result. I'm not press the power key, I'm just simply touch it. The fingerprint scanner method works here correct, so I just suggest you to try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the pin code or passcode unlock method. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.